In the top view, draw a rectangle. Perform an extrusion of 0.25 millimeters. Drag an image onto the top face and select the Face option. It is recommended to use a black and white image. Right-click on the part, go to Appearance, and select the Face option to proceed with editing. In the Mapping window, choose the style. As you can see, after correctly orienting the view, this is when you should click on the style. By moving the corners, you can adjust the dimensions of the image. Try to fit it as accurately as possible. To generate the 3D texture of the image, expand Solid Body, right-click on the Extrusion feature, and select the 3D Texture option. To modify the parameters, activate the texture settings. The first field allows for better detection of grayscale differences. The second field generates a significant difference in height. With its value representing the maximum height limit. The third field adjusts the size of the processable elements. Reducing the value increases precision, but it may also affect the software's performance. Finally, since there is a large number of elements, I recommend changing the view type to hide the edges. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.